Man, who is some damn Baltimore?
So at the last show that I did, I remember.
Yeah.
I said, "It's a new day and I'm glad." What did I say?
My name.
Right.
Okay.
So remember earlier I was telling you about when you search, then other artists come up. So I don't have a platform for then like when you search then 1,000 other artists are gonna come up.
Really?
So that's why we added the Y. The Y didn't do enough, but I know that my last name is very different. There's not a lot of multiples, 7 of us maybe. So for one to carry that legacy on, because there's no boys in the family, and to when we go to their search engine, it's gonna pop up, and Baltimore.